Hi folks, Brandon Levi from Evolution Muay Thai here again today. Today I'd like to build on the last video that we did. Last time we did the entry-level movement while punching. Okay, we did the jab and moving and the cross and moving and then putting them together. Today I want to build on that. I want to speed things up, make it more dynamic, and instead of 2 steps per punch, we're only going to throw 1 step per punch. Now, I call this one opposite side step. So it's here, in my fight stance. Alright, I'm going to step out with my left foot as I throw my right cross. Being careful to make sure I still get the turn of the foot and the hip to power up that right hand. So I'm here, bam. Alright, I'm trying to land the punch as the foot lands. Now I'm in this deep stance. I need to recover my stance. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring up this foot, place it here as I throw this punch. So I'm here, boom. Okay? Now from there, I step through again with the cross. Boom, boom. As you can see, each punch is working feet and hands. Very important relationship. Okay? The next drill we do will be same side step. Okay? Basically the same idea, but this time it'll be left hand, left foot, right hand, right foot. So we're here, I step out with the left foot as I throw the left hand. I bring the right foot up as I throw the right hand. Right, now this one doesn't feel as strong, but it's worth knowing just for the sake of the timing itself. Once again, trying to land the feet with the punch. Alright, basically what this does is it shows you that the whole body has to work as one unit when you're throwing a punch. Right? If the body is disjointed, if your timing is off, you'll lose a lot of power and possibly balance. And that's something you don't want to sacrifice in the middle of a fight. Alright, thank you for joining us. I hope that helps with your technique.